Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your boy, R Smoke Bammer, and today I have this beautiful 6mm Moissanite Cuban bracelet, 6.5 inches, purchased from Israel's Jewelry out here in New York, United States. And yeah, without further ado, here is the beautiful bracelet. 925 silver, Moissanite all around, from the clasps all the way to the other end. Beautiful. It has the S925 sterling silver stamp right there, as y'all can see it. Beautiful silver all around, custom made just for you. Took about 2 weeks or so, but look at this Moissanite shining. Beautiful. It will pass the diamond tester, won't tarnish. I believe I paid $120 for this. It was not too expensive. So this is a perfect gift to get your girlfriend or yourself. As you can see, it pops open like that. That is where you attach it to. And yeah, we're gonna put it on our wrist and give y'all a wrist profile. Alright, so this is the wrist profile. Look at them Moissanites dancing all around. Beautiful. I will show y'all the clasp. Y'all can see, look at them Moissanites dancing. So gorgeous. 6.5 inches, 6mm Cuban bracelet from Israel's Jewelry out here in New York, United States. Not so expensive, as y'all can see. So gorgeous all around, buzzing, and it is a perfect fit for me, as y'all can see. Perfect. Different sizes made just for you. Go and purchase yourself one. This is with the flash. I will include a natural sun video so we could see it in the natural sunlight. But man, this thing is beautiful. Go and get you one. You will not be disappointed. It is just beautiful. For a very cheap price, silver all around. And yeah, stay tuned for the natural sunlight wrist profile. Alright guys, here we have the wrist profile out here in the natural sunlight with this beautiful 6mm 6.5 inch Moissanite Cuban bracelet. As you can see, these Moissanites are dancing in the natural sunlight, from the clasp all the way around, as you can see. So yeah, definitely go and get you one of these. You will not be disappointed. Shop with your boy, Israel's Jewelry. I appreciate you for making this awesome bracelet. And yeah, if you're thinking of getting one, don't hesitate to go and purchase one, because you will not be disappointed. As you can see, that natural sunlight making this shit blind you. Alright guys, well, that will conclude the video. I hope you guys were impressed by this 6.5 inches 6mm Moissanite Cuban bracelet, because I am definitely impressed by this. Like, look at that shine. Beautiful moissanites all around. Woo-wee, you gonna be shining. That wrist is gonna be looking nice. I love the clasp, all iced out. Like, man, silver 925. Woo-wee. That Moissanite Cuban bracelet from Israel's Jewelry. Go shop with your boy. You will not be disappointed. Man, and he also has other stuff, but this is very cheap for the price, and it makes for a great gift for you or for somebody else. But I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, this is a 6.5 inches, 6 millimeter Moissanite Cuban bracelet from Israel's Jewelry out in New York. It is your boy I Smoke Bammer. Peace.